If you are an experienced traveler, then you are familiar with the necessity of having a dry bag at the outdoor. While you are going out for canoeing, kayaking, mountaineering, abseiling down waterfalls, or trekking across streams and rivers in the pouring rain, dry sacks and bags will protect your gadgets and clothes from water to ensure your belongings stay dry to enhance your outdoor trip. Choosing the perfect dry bag amongst the ocean of products can be so much difficult, and to help you decide, we have listed the best 5 dry bags that you can choose to keep your items dry in outdoors.
Check the video description for the links of the products. Since you are a new channel, don't forget to subscribe us as it will help us grow. Now let's enjoy the video.
The Tila Kiwanda dry bag is lightweight and packable that will protect your gear from damage. The Kiwanda is designed to handle rain, snow, sleet, mud, dust, and dirt. It's manufactured with heavy-duty and lightweight PVC-free 420D ripstop nylon. This dry bag is made by Lontra TPU lamination that works to seal out the elements and provides watertight, high-frequency welded seams. Its contoured straps are padded with waterproof closed-cell EVA-foam and attached with extremely durable 840D high-blown panels to secure the stuff. The height-adjustable sternum strap is also outfitted with a whistle for emergencies. The Tila Kiwanda has the option of a compact and convenient way to keep your water bottle close by. The 4-way stretch mesh pocket is deep enough to comfortably store bottles upwards of 30 ounces in volume. If you want to explore, conserve, and enjoy your backpacking trip, then you need a dry bag like Tila Kiwanda. The OutXE IP67 waterproof TPU dry bag is built from heavy-duty 420D TPU and features 100% water protection. This means you can fully submerge it in the water and your apparel will still be completely dry during your water-based sports activities. This dry bag has a patented Ziploc seal, which is like a freezer bag, and the traditional roll-top closer keeps your valuables dry. It has 2 detachable and adjustable shoulder straps and that are available so you can conveniently adjust the backpack on your shoulders and make the carrying process a breeze as well. The dry bag has a front mesh pocket that is a great addition when it comes down to having quick access to necessities such as your water bottle, a knife, or a flashlight. The OutXE IP67 waterproof TPU dry bag is all in all when it comes to water resistance. You cannot find a better option on the market. If you want to keep your gear and apparel organized and neat when you are planning a hiking trip, the Osprey dry bag will be an excellent choice for you. Its rectangular shape allows you to efficiently store your gear so you can easily access your equipment whenever you need it. The dry bag has a durable construction with 40D ripstop nylon that ensures comfort as well as unmatched durability. The Osprey Ultralight has roll-top closure that is waterproof and helps compress items within the dry sack. The Ultralight dry sack keeps your gear organized and protected with your pack or travel luggage. Also, it comes in 5 different sizes to suit your needs. The Osprey Ultralight 12 dry sack is an excellent pick if you are looking for a plain design, outstanding durability, and efficient organization of your equipment. The Sea-Doo Summit Event Compression Dry Sack is a waterproof dry bag that makes your gadget and gears become safe from damp weather and water. This valve-free compression dry sack uses a breathable base made of event waterproof fabric that allows air to be pushed out but keeps water from entering. The sack sides made of 70 dinar nylon fabric with reinforced stitching on all stress points for durability keeps your things dry. The polyurethane coating offers the ultimate in waterproofness. Waterproof seams are tape sealed and double stitched for added weather protection for your gears. The Sea-Doo Summit Event Compression Dry Sack has roll-top Hypalon closer with lead and 4 straps evenly compress and maintains compressed size. This dry bag has a compact and lightweight design, features a pull handle on the bottom for easy transport. The Sea-Doo Summit Event has breathable waterproof fabric, also compact and lightweight design for your ultimate water sports and backpacking trip. The Earthpak Waterproof Dry Bag is the perfect pick for any other passionate adventurer who wants to acquire high-quality outdoor products that suit his adventurous spirit. The uniqueness of the Earthpak dry bag stems from its ability to effectively keep your stuff dry even in the harshest environments where torrential rains are something you cannot avoid. Undoubtedly, the Earthpak dry bag is superb in terms of durability and will last you for years to come. This dry bag is suitable for all kinds of outdoor activities. It is compact and ideal for those who want to pack light but still have quality, heavy-duty gear that will protect the valuable possessions from the outdoors. The Earthpak comes in 10 to 55 liter capacity. Just toss your gear inside your water bag, roll it down, and you're good to go on your next adventure. Earthpack Waterproof Dry Bag is the best choice for water sports activity to keep your belongings safe and sound. So that's all about the top 5 dry bags for you. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. And do subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.